In 1961, US President John F. Kennedy proclaimed to a joint session of Congress that this nation should commit itself to achieving the goal before the decade is out of landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to Earth. Thus began the space race that would lead us to achieve his goal and be the first to have a person walk to the moon. Welcome to Think Deeper. This video is about the ways to experience the outer space right here on Earth. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. Space race was an exciting time to be alive. Humanity has never lived through a more fast-paced period of space exploration and human space flight. Space exploration came to life through commercial spaceflight, also known as space tourism. Space tourism are for billionaires and private development, and tickets have been primarily bought by ultra wealthy. For instance, it costs $250,000 to book a seat on Virgin Galactic for a trip to space. In 2019, NASA said it would allow private citizens to fly to the International Space Station. It put the cost to stay there at $35,000 a night and the price to get there at around $50 million. Now the question is, for many of us, do we need to wait the prices to come down to experience the space exploration? The answer is no. Why? Because there are still ways to experience space tourism on Earth. Number 1. Visit Mars in Spain. Ever wondered what life on Mars is really like? Well, Astroland in Spain can answer this question. Astroland is similar to the NASA HI-SEAS program, but it is aimed at a wider tourist base. Main experience at Astroland is Eris Station, a realistic habitat built into a cave to stimulate one possible settlement plan of Mars. The idea is that each person will pay for a place on a team. You will then go through advanced training to determine your role on the team. You will spend a designated time in Eris Station, living and working full-time, including conducting research projects and providing data about the psychological impact of living in isolation. Pricing is in the range of $7,000 for a month of training plus a 3-day, 3-night stay in Eris Station. Number 2. Space adventures. Follow in the footsteps of real astronauts and cosmonauts by participating in astronaut training through Space Adventures Company. Offers space tourism experiences ranging from watching rocket launches in Kazakhstan to actually launching tourists to the International Space Station. Participants learn how to fly Russian Soyuz spacecraft through a simulator, get to try spacewalk training, and ride the centrifuge to get a better understanding of the gravitational forces experienced during launching and landing. Pricing is available on request. Number 3. Zero-G flight. One constant force on Earth is its gravity. But we all know that gravity does not feel the same everywhere. The experience changes when you are traveling through space where the gravity is zero, visiting another celestial body like Mars, 1/3 of the gravity on Earth, or the Moon, 1/6 the gravity. To experience this, there are two companies which simulate the difference in gravity which offers zero-G flights. One is American zero-G and Air Zero-G in Europe, uses modified planes. The pilots take the plane through maneuvers that simulate Martian gravity, lunar gravity, and zero gravity. Flights range in cost from $6,700 to $9,500. Number 4. Space Camp. Located at the US Space and Rocket Center, part of NASA Marshall Space Flight Center, and all programming is designed with actual NASA missions. Made famous by the Space Camp family film of the 1980s, children have been attending Space Camp in Huntsville, Alabama for generations. An adult astronaut training program gives grown-ups the chance to get hands-on learning about planetary science, orbital mechanics, and NASA missions, past, present, and future. Means you can spend time in simulations piloting the Orion capsule, working in mission control, and doing spacewalk to work on International Space Station module. Cost per person is $199 to $299 for Space Camp and $150 per person for the underwater program. Well, this is all in today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you do like this video more, share it. And do not forget to subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. Click on the bell icon to get the update whenever I upload a new video.